Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and both are on the same network. Once done, open the Realme Link app or your phone's cast/mirror quick settings. This is where you initiate the connection. Make sure the TV's screen mirroring or cast receiver is enabled in its settings so it can accept incoming connections. You do this first to avoid hunting menus later, and because a matched network and receiver on guarantees discovery when you search from the phone. Once your phone finds the Realme TV, tap the TV name to initiate pairing. You'll likely see a pairing code or permission prompt on the TV. Accept it on either device as prompted to authorize the connection. Make sure to choose the right display mode: screen mirror if you want exact phone display, or cast mode for supported apps where video plays directly on TV. If latency matters, change resolution or frame rate in the app's cast settings to optimize performance. You finish by confirming media plays smoothly and using the disconnect or stop option on your phone or TV when done. If audio or video lags, try switching both devices to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and move them closer to reduce interference. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the router, phone, and TV to reset discovery services. This often fixes stubborn pairing issues. Remember, keep firmware and Realme Link updated so future connections remain stable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.